Hey guys, welcome to the channel Love What You Drive. Today we have another unboxing and a review and installation all in one video. This one is brought to us by AutoOne LED lights. This video is not sponsored by Amazon, by AutoOne, YouTube, or any other third-party affiliates. But AutoOne did reach out and said, would you like to give your opinion on these LED lights for your 2006 Mercury Grand Marquis? And I said sure, as I always do. So let's jump right into this one. Right now on Amazon, it is up for $49.99 with a 15% coupon that could be applied. I will leave all the links below to the Amazon page. But these are the 9008 H13. This is for my 06 Mercury Grand Marquis, but I believe they have many more applications for this one. So on this side, just high brightness, long lifespan, plug and play, off-road. You got your Amazon things and your labels and such. So let's go ahead and open the box. So in here we have a card with all their information on there. It does have a manual in here of installation. As always, they provide you so you do the right installation without having any issues later with them and they say that they didn't tell you how to do it. Now let's just go ahead and take a look at these in here. Now a lot of them do come the same. I mean, at the end of the day, it's an LED light and it does one thing, and that is to fill the road with light for you and me. I love the small details. It says AutoOne H13. Love this kind of a goldish color. They feel pretty solid. They look pretty good, look pretty cool. I don't know, what else is there to say? So we're gonna go look at their Amazon page on some of the specs on these lights. It is going on my 2006 Mercury Grand Marquis. The color temperature of this bad boy is 6,000 kelvins or 6,000 K, which is going to be a bright white, more on the brighter white, maybe even a hint of blue. The brightness is 22,000 lumens. They are claiming that this is close to 60,000 working hours for these bulbs. There is a built-in cooling fan that's in here. You can see where the slots are. That's like a 12,000 RPM cooling fan. It is waterproof. It's Canbus ready, so it takes less than 2-3 minutes to install depending on your application. So like I said, this is just unbox, read the description, read what it offers. Now let's go outside, let's pop these into my car and we'll see how they look. Alright guys, before I do change out the OEM halogen bulbs, I want to show you what they look like during the day when the headlights are on and just the difference of color and brightness. You can see the amber yellowish tint to the OEM halogen bulbs. We're gonna go ahead and take out the original ones, replace them with the AutoOne LED light. Thank you for sending me these for review. And we're gonna see how they look like during the day, during the night, and after I've used them. Okay guys, it's evening. I want to show you what the stock OEM halogen lights look like, the light bulbs on my Mercury. But this is what it looks like. You could see it amberish or the yellowish color, just like all the halogen bulbs from this era. Okay guys, now we're inside the car and I just want to show you what the lights look like from the inside. I'm gonna go ahead and turn them on. Right there, I mean, we can see it with the fog. Nice beam. Here's the low lights, or the low beams, high beams. Low beam, high beam. Pretty dim if you ask me. We're gonna go ahead and take off this cover so we can get inside where the original light bulb is, here and here. To do that on these cars, take off these 3 clips. And then you're just gonna slide this out like that. Now we're gonna go ahead and remove this one and that one. I will reconfigure the camera so we can see better on how easy it is to do. Take this out. We don't have to pop the headlight out. We just go in through here. Now, depending on your application, be careful because it could be hot if you had them on running. So all you got to do is stick your hand in here. I found it easier to disconnect the connector first by just pushing this tab and just pull it back, and then you see that the tab or the connector just pops out like that. And then all you do is take it by the two tabs and you twist it, and the original comes out like so. So let me grab the new LED and we're gonna put it in, and I'll show you the difference between this and the LED during the day. Okay, here we have it. Now, same thing, just in reverse. We're gonna go ahead and fish it through here. Twist the tabs, and then you take the connector, slide that on there, boom, and you're done. That literally took 2 minutes from beginning to end. So now that that's in, we still have the original on that side. I'm going to bring the camera back and show you what it looks like during the day of a color difference and the brightness. Turn it on. LED OEM halogen. Check it out. Look at that difference. Now the camera is not even picking up. It just looks like a big bright blur compared to this one. But even during the day, you can see how much wider this one is compared to the amber yellowish color on that one. And when night hits, we are going to take it around and drive it during the night. And once again, I'll show you what this looks like during the night and what this looks like during the night. So on the driver's side, I put the AutoOne LED light in, and on the passenger side, it's still the OEM halogen light. I want to show you the difference. Do you see that? Man. And I'm glad it's foggy out here because it just intensifies the light beam and the pattern. But do you see the difference of the two? I'm gonna go ahead and come around so we could get a better view. Look at that. That is bright. Even the camera is picking up the difference. Okay guys, same procedure on this side. Very simple. Push the tab. Boom. Pull out the connector. Move it to the side. And then the two tabs, you just twist it. And like I said before, be careful if you've been running them. They might be really hot. And then we're just gonna pull it out. There we have it, the halogen. And again, the AutoOne H13 LED 6000K lights. The way that this is made, you can see these little tabs. There's 3 of them. There's no wrong way to put it in. It's only gonna go in one way. You can see it right here. There's these little tabs, and they're all different. So the way you put it in, you twist it. You can't get it wrong. Is what I'm trying to say. So once we put it in, now if it doesn't click in, you can see it's not going in. All you gotta do is spin it around, and when those tabs line up with the proper opening, you just twist it and then put the connector, boom, like that. Okay, now all we have left to do is put the panel back on. Okay guys, going from the OEM halogen to the AutoOne LED, here's what it looks like. Man, look at that. Look how bright that is. Compared to the halogen, I mean, you can be the judge. Definitely floods the whole street. and definitely is super bright. There you have it. Okay, now that we're inside the car, I'm gonna go ahead and turn the lights on, and you can see nice compared to the OEM halogen. Look how bright that is. This is low beam, high beam, low beam, high beam. Okay, and now that we're going to be driving, I just want to share my thought on it. I've had these lights in for the past already month, I would say. I definitely gave them a good use. I've definitely put on some miles at night, during the day, and out of all the lights that I have used so far, these have to be one of the brightest yet one of the cleanest light patterns that I have seen. I'd say these are the ones that I think I like the best. So do I recommend these? For the price, for the build quality, for what it does as lighting up the road, I definitely recommend these. Thank you AutoOne for sending me a pair to try out. I did put some good use on them. I did put some good mileage in them. So I definitely recommend. So if you're in the market looking for some kind of LED lights at about the $50 price point, I would recommend these all day long. Anyways, thank you for tuning in to another Love What You Drive video, unbox, install, and review. See you in the next one.